Beneath a swirling kaleidoscopic sky, a floating circular platform hovers over an endless fractal meadow. 5 beings, strange and vibrant, sit around a levitating, self-rearranging table. They are puppets, but also not puppets, eldritch entities of felt and fur, eyes that sparkle with cosmic intelligence. Their fingers twitch as if connected to unseen strings, yet they move with their own will, sipping cups of liquid time that shimmer and flow like melted reality. One of them, the Grand Master of the Obvious, leans forward. His face is lined with the weight of too much clarity. His eyes are spinning spirals.
Friends, we have gathered today to design a nation that does not turn its citizens into anxious, gridlocked, existentially starved automatons.
Indeed, we must sculpt reality like a poet sculpts metaphor. Our cities must unfold like music, not choke like spreadsheets.
First decree, no child shall grow up in a straight line, curves, meanders. Let their worlds be fractal, like the dreams of trees.
And banishment of the 8-lane existential dread. Roads shall be replaced with footpaths and floating lily pads of transit. Instead of honking, people shall hum.
To create civilized people, give them civilization. Give them gardens for thinking, parks for being, and water for wondering.
Yes, designed for Kairos, not Chronos. A city where time is not devoured, but discovered.
A river spirals upwards into a golden archway labeled "Rhapsody Begins Here." A portal opens. The puppets float through, holding hands, giggling, disappearing into the dream of a better world.